Hi, I'm Elliot Simmons and welcome to Assessment Criteria 3.1 of Solving Problems and Making Decisions. So we're in Learning Outcome 3 here, and Learning Outcome 3 says that the learner will know how to evaluate options to make a decision. And 3.1, which is the only assessment criteria here, wants that the learner can apply a simple decision-making technique to evaluate options to arrive at the best solution. It's worth 24 marks, so 24% of the entire essay rests on this question. Always go and look at the sufficiency descriptors, which you'll find on the mark sheet, which will enable you to look with more clarity on what will constitute a referral, a pass, and a good pass. So what do we actually have to do here? Well, the key word is evaluate, and you're going to be evaluating those options which you summarized in Assessment Criteria 2.2. And an evaluation, which is a big word in Bloom's taxonomy, must have three distinct parts. The first part of it is that you have to have a set of criteria that you're going to evaluate the options against. You are creating that criteria, so we need to see you break down the criteria and tell us what it is that you're actually going to evaluate them against. Could be such things as time, cost, or maybe your ethical corporate responsibility. Then I need to see a scoring system. That scoring system is what you're going to evaluate the options against with that criteria. It can be any scoring system you like, and it can be just you applying it, or it could be the entire team being able to have their own input. And then you have to clearly state that best solution. This is what it says in the assessment criteria. You have to arrive at the best solution. It is not sufficient just to leave the information of the scoring and the criteria in a chart. I need you to say, therefore, the best solution is maybe option 4, because it's clearly justified by that evaluation. Read the sufficiency descriptors. It will enable you to realize that in this question, the way to get extra marks is to do things such as clearly describing the criteria rather than just listing or identifying them, and coming up with things like a weighted scoring system where you actually recognize that some things are more important than others.